Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Trezor One only ways. Connect your Trezor One to the official app and follow on-screen prompts to initialize. Choose a strong PIN and write your recovery seed on paper, not a digital file. Store the seeds safe and private. Keep firmware updated and only use the official website for downloads to prevent scams and keep your crypto secure. Open Trezor Suite and add accounts for the coins you use, then label them so you never confuse addresses. Use account separation for different purposes like savings or trading. When receiving funds, confirm the address on your device screen as the app can be spoofed. For sending, double-check amounts and fees, and consider small test transfers for new addresses to avoid costly errors or typos. Treat your recovery seed like the keys to a vault and never enter it into a computer or phone. Enable a passphrase for added privacy if you want hidden accounts separate from your main wallet. Only update firmware using the official site and verify signatures to avoid tampered builds. Consider using a dedicated, clean computer for crypto operations and keep backups in secure, geographically separate locations for disaster recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.